fishing for crab.
Made it to check-in. Morning, almost done with my makeup. Once I'm done, there's a little snack waiting for me, and then we're about ready to leave for the airport. That's enough for this perfume. It's very strong, as you can tell. Closing the door right now. Because we're leaving. Travel fit, workout clothes, and my sweater.
Hold on, I've been on this mission for too long, too long.
Made it to check-in, and now we're getting water and like supplies and just shopping. Very, very punctual. So, yeah. Are in the car. I am dying of heat. Haven't found my sunglasses yet, but weather is great. Made it. We're visiting the King's Mall again. You know, just a little quick stroll because we're in the area anyway. Meow. The proud owner. Was nochmal?
Er hat gesagt, das ist geisteskrank.
Man kann ja nicht gut reingucken. Where do we get with?
Well, actually, I wanted to go to the harbor, and then
You thought you knew the way.
I took the wrong turn, and it took me to a stadium.
Literally just found stadium. We had no idea that was here. But yeah, I mean, this was in his bucket list. One little last stop. First of all, bananas. Okay, so we just got back to our cozy little place. Sorry. And we got pizza, police from a place called Pizza Master. Now we're just gonna get ready for bed. I'm gonna work out right now. I'm gonna my back because I had a lot of back pain after yesterday. I was doing a lot of stretches, and then when I get back, I go back to the gym. But that means time for stretching and mobility work. Morning, we're about to go eat at
Noma.
And then after that, we're gonna go to the
Cyprus Animal Rescue
I think
shelter.
Shelter.
What up?
And then after that, you knew the city. I forgot how it was called.
I'm trying to remember. We are going to Lachi.
No, Lachi's here.
No.
What is it called?
Lamin Jamal.
Well, we'll tell you where we are when we get there. But we're gonna go eat breakfast. Then we have a change of shoes and a little bit of clothes with us for the animal shelter. We also brought some snacks for the rescues this time. And then after that, we're gonna head like 40 minutes further out to a city that is called, that's what we're figuring out right now.
Limassol.
Ah, you wanna go to Limassol. Okay,
Sí.
Limassol. It always tastes so good here. And even the quinoa is like top notch. And these portobello mushrooms on here. I'm not a mushroom girly, but these are to die for. I did a dumb thing. One of the dogs I was cuddling with him got excited and did a little jump. And I was kneeling down here. And I took a step back, but there was a little rock. And I fell over the rock. And I did this to myself. And completely dirty. Oh, and somebody's complaining. Now, we just had to go and wash out the wound, but now we're fine. And now we're feeding the cats. You love the water, don't you? Bella. She's also very good on a leash. And that, we think her name is called Baby. She's a 9-month-old Cane Corso. Both were surrenders from their owners. Very sweet.
Yeah. Those eyes that make me feel numb. There's something in the air tonight that I can't believe. No, I can't.
This is the current state we're in. I have decayed. I am very sweaty also because it was very warm, but whatever. I'm ready for tonight. This is the outfit. Yes, this is the fit. We're about to go out for dinner and meet my family and then just have a nice night.
Thinking about you.
We're done with eating. I love my outfit every time I wear this dress. And then we just got some dessert. And after that, we're gonna go home and to bed. I will probably see you guys again then. But for now, this is the last check-in maybe for today. Okay, I'm live. Another check-in. Good night. Morning. So I'm about to do minimal routine. I'm already wearing my bikini because today is a boat day. So yeah, don't need that much makeup because it's gonna wash off anyway. So I'm just gonna do my base and then concealer and some blush. Jay, what are you doing?
Fishing for crabs.
He's only found a few. He's found a new hobby, guys. And this is what I'm supposed to do. Hold the crabs. But I mean, it's kind of fun.
It's like it's extra bushy.
I've been on this mission for too long, too long. Let's get back to basics. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, since everything changes, you were my oasis, and now I'm stuck in the middle, thinking about you, things that you do, making me crazy.
Ja, das meinst du. Das ist gar nicht so schlimm.
Do you even think about me? Hold on, I've been on this mission for too long, yeah. I think I lost my mind when I was thinking about you. Thinking about you.
What do you want to wear? That's when we're gonna do makeup first.
What you needed was a real one. What you needed was a real one like me. Yeah, a real one.
Not what we expected when we read a mall, but we're down. It looks like an American mall though.
I think I lost my mind when I was thinking about you. Thinking about you. About you. Yeah.
Oh baby, where are we?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Está a la fuego.
Where are we? ¿Dónde está?
¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está?
No, wait. We're about to go into Nicosia and cross the border, right?
Yeah, because she's a border girl.
Oh my goodness. Show your glasses. These are so funny. They're like 1 use. This is a total waste of plastic, but it's funny. We got this little cutie today, and I think it always has the ones that are on the box. I'm not sure.
Not inserted.
We're gonna figure it out.
Die wir hingefahren sind, aber das ist unvoll? Oder
Here's the car. It does have the little, like, it looks like a matcha whisk and bowl, and that's perfect because I'm trying to build a little matcha station, and this next to some smiskies. It says Pokemon. It says Pokemon apparently, but
Pokemon!
what does this one do? Make you awake?
It's matcha man.
It just gives you energy. That's the power of this Pokemon. I love it though, because even the bowl looks like it has a face.
Hey!
So cute.
We got a gum.
Oh, that's cool. Good night. Good morning. We're about to go and work out and then get the room ready to leave, which it basically is. The last of our stuff is right here. We're gonna spend the last few hours maybe at the beach, maybe in Polis, and then head to Paphos a little early. Almost all packed, only a few minutes too late, but we're basically done.
What you needed was a real one like me. Yeah, a real one like me. Yeah, what you needed was. I think I lost my mind.
our last little snack from here, and now we're heading to the airport.
Those eyes are
Rolling. Let's go.
that I can't believe. No, no, I can't believe. So help me believe it.
Finally made it back home, picked up my car, did everything we needed to do, and now I'm gonna take off my makeup because it's about 3 midnight and 20 minutes. Thank you guys again for being a part of the vlog and watching it. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. And right now I'm gonna get ready, and then this will have to happen.